Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to share with you that is sure to enhance your cooking experience. We found this fantastic digital meat thermometer, an instant read waterproof kitchen tool, and we've added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's dive into what this product is all about. This digital meat thermometer is designed for anyone who loves cooking, whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out. It's perfect for grilling and cooking, making it an essential tool for both outdoor barbecues and indoor meals. With this thermometer, say goodbye to guesswork and hello to perfectly cooked meals every time. One of the standout features of this thermometer is its incredibly fast response time. In just 2 to 3 seconds, it provides an accurate temperature reading, covering a wide range from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can use it for a variety of foods, from ice water to hot fries, ensuring that everything is cooked to perfection. Plus, the accuracy of plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit gives you confidence that your food is safe and delicious. The probe is made from 304 stainless steel, which is food grade and safe for use on all types of food, including children's meals. This feature is particularly great for parents who want to ensure their little ones are eating safe and healthy dishes. Additionally, the thermometer is marked with professional meat type and temperature references right on the body, making it easy to keep your food tender and juicy without the fear of undercooked meals. Using this thermometer is a breeze. It features a one-click operation, allowing you to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit effortlessly. No complicated settings, just point and measure. Whether you're grilling a steak or preparing a turkey for a holiday feast, this user-friendly design makes it suitable for everyone. What's more, this digital meat thermometer is waterproof, which means you don't have to worry about it getting damaged during use or while cleaning. The high-quality body and durable food-grade probe ensure that it will last through countless cooking adventures. Another practical aspect of this thermometer is its large LCD display with backlighting. This feature is especially useful for reading temperatures in dimly lit outdoor barbecue settings or when grilling with lots of smoke. Plus, the strong internal magnet and large hanging hole allow for easy storage. Just attach it to your fridge, oven, or a hook, and it's always within reach. In summary, this digital meat thermometer is a must-have gadget not only for outdoor barbecue enthusiasts but also for anyone who enjoys cooking at home. With its accurate readings, quick response time, and user-friendly design, it's perfect for all your culinary needs. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.